Good morning. Thank you for joining me, Coach Mike, on your Monday morning. Outside of coaching, of which I love to do, having the ability to impact other business owners, leaders, team members, to get better results, to grow personally, to grow professionally. What my real outside passion is scuba diving and spearfishing. On Saturday and Sunday, I love to be about 80 feet down, looking for a nice dinner to take home and put it on the big green egg and have a delicious mutton snapper, a hog snapper, a grouper, or whatever it may be. And a couple of weeks when the lobster season is up, put those little tasty critters on the grill too. Now this past Saturday, I had a very interesting experience. And this has a lot to do with business. Every time I'm diving, I'm looking for an opportunity for a grouper or a snapper or a yellowjack or some type of fish that I can shoot, that I could bring home and create a nice, tasty dinner. And I'm about halfway through my dive and I see this beautiful yellowjack. Now I like yellowjack because it makes great ceviche. Nice and fresh, delicious, nice and cold out of the refrigerator. Excellent treat. However, just as I'm lining up the yellowjack, out of my left eye, I see a 7-foot sandbar shark. Very similar to a bull shark. So immediately, my heart started beating. And I started thinking immediately that you do not want to send an energy of fear, and my heart's beating and he's picking up on that. And if I shoot that fish and that fish starts struggling, that's a situation I do not want to create. So the quick evaluation was, let that fish go. Let Mikey be safe. Now further on into the dive, I had another opportunity to shoot a yellowjack where my dive was almost over, shot it. I have a lift bag at the end of my spear gun. I inflated it. Spear gun, fish, everything went up. The person on the boat picked it up, taking that fish away from me as quickly as possible to not create any energy in the water to bring those sharks back in. Now, what does this have to do with business? There's a lot of times we might be in a situation to make a sale, and this is perfect client, and our heart could start racing. We could get excited. And that energy might come across that they might pick up on. And they might say yes or no according to what energy we're putting out. Also, there's sometimes we have to make a decision of which our heart is racing, and we have to evaluate the risk reward of that situation, of the decision we make. This happens a lot in business, so we can go through this process quickly so we can make the right decision. Just like I was about to shoot the fish, my heart started racing, I got excited, I saw the shark, I get even more excited. The evaluation was, let that opportunity go because the risk is too great. Later, because I passed and evaluated correctly, that opportunity came up again, of which I was able to take advantage of and get the eventual result I was looking for. And it'll be the same way in business. So have a process of where you are able to evaluate the risk-reward situation. When your heart starts beating, slow your breath down, calm down. If you're looking to make a sale, think of the advantage and the benefits your clients will get from doing business with you as you deliver your goods and services with excellence, and how they will benefit, and that energy will shift to them, of which you will make it about them, and you should do business. But remember, in every situation, there's always a risk reward. Have a process to be able to evaluate it quickly so you can make the proper decision. As always, I want to thank you for joining me, Coach Mike, on your Monday morning. And always, if you found this valuable, please comment, share. Also, look through my videos. There'll be some great videos you can share with your team. Have them watch the videos, and then in your morning meeting, ask them what they've learned. Use me to leverage to have your team learn so they can tell you what they're learning, this brain, the way they're activating their brain, they're masterminding, and they're getting their weekly lessons. So thank you for joining me, Coach Michael, on your Monday morning. I wish you a productive, profitable week. I'll see you next Monday. Go get them.